How to make money with Instagram Reels. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money with Instagram Reels and with your Reels bonuses, and what are these and how they work. So let's get into this. So first of all, you need to do is you have to open your Instagram account, and here you can see this is my basic dashboard, and it is very empty, like it is a very new profile that I have created for the purpose of this video. So here you can see that this is the main page, this is the home of my website, of my Instagram page. So what you can do is basically Instagram Reels bonus is something that the Meta business has incorporated to make and to motivate people to make more and more reels on Instagram, because as you know that with TikTok in the greatest competition in Instagram right now, the Facebook and Instagram as well has been motivating their customers, their engagers, their influencers to make more and more reels and more content on their websites to make them the best social media platform that they are, and since the time of Facebook up till now. So in the mean competition, what they have done is they have added a new bonus that you can earn from your reels. So how you can earn them and how you can basically access and how you can see where your bonus arrives, what you can do is basically open up your account, and for that you have to have a business account. It is not going to work on your normal account, on your non-business account. It has to be a professional and a business account for your bonuses to work. So what you can do is basically when you have a business account set up for yourself, you have to click on these three lines on the top right corner of your Instagram account. Click on that and you're going to get a couple of options. What you need to do is you have to open this settings and privacy. When you're going to open that, you're going to get a lot of business tools and all of other things that you can choose from and access in your account. What you need to do is you have to open this for professionals, business tools and controls. Open that. It might appear different for someone else, like it might appear as simply as business written here. So what you can do is you can open that as well. Whatever is written, it has to be business tools. So you have to access your business tools, and here you are going to get a couple of more options. In there you are going to find a branded content as saved replies, etc., and monetization status. You have to click on the monetization status, and you can see that you are eligible for monetization. You can use monetization tools, review partner monetization policies, and review community guidelines. So this is what you are looking for. So when you see that you are eligible for monetization, you can get bonuses. Your bonuses are also going to show themselves right here on the top, add payments, and then you are going to see your bonuses. When you click on them, you're going to see how many bonus that you have created from your recent reels and what is the status of your bonus and how much you have earned from your reels. So I don't have any reel posted to my account right now, that's why I don't have any bonus, but I'm monetized to have bonuses. For example, if I add a reel to my account and it reaches up to a certain kind of audience, like it reaches some views, then I can get a bonus out of it. So the exactly monetization policy is not well known right now, but what you need to have is you have to have a lot of followers on your account, and you must have a lot of reels on your account, and the views on the reels must be considerably large, and then you can basically get bonuses from it. Obviously, for any kind of business or influencer for a person to have a business account, you must have a lot of content that you need to post, and you must also have a lot of views on your content depending on your followers. So gain your followers. What you can do for them is you can basically go on and market your products or market whatever the service you have been providing. You can add ads on your Instagram. What you can do is basically settings and privacy. Go on here and you can click on your business tools and controls. You can see your ad payment, or you can make ads on your Instagram as well. You can create sponsored ads on Instagram, and they're going to basically show up on people searching for same kind of things. For example, if you sell your services in beauty, or you sell makeup products or something like that, so whenever a person searches for that, your ad is going to come up and they're going to see, oh, you exist, and then they're going to see your products, and if they like them, they're going to follow you. So you can set up some kinds of ads, and you can also market your products yourself. You can market them on different platforms. You can market them on Facebook, you can market them on TikTok, you can market them on other places as well, on your Pinterest or etc. And by marketing, you're going to gain more followers, and by more followers means more views, and when you're going to get more views, then you can go on and get more bonus from Instagram. So other than Instagram bonuses, you can also make money out of Instagram reels as well. What you can do is basically make reels based upon trending music, some trending audio, or anything or some trending challenge. You can make reels upon them. Like for example, let me go on to my explore, and here you can see you are going to see a couple of reels right here. So go on and watch the reels. Like for example, this one right here, it has 1 or 2k followers, this person, and this reel has 131k likes. So go on and find something that has a lot of likes, like 945k likes, and you can use this audio and you can remix this, or you can save this audio and you can make your own reel out of it. And you're going to, whenever you make a reel on a trending audio or a trending topic, then for sure you're going to get a lot of views out of it, because they are out there and people, and something that is being trending and that is being in demand, you get people people get a lot of views out of it, and people basically, a lot of people see them on their explore. So when they see them, you get a like or you get a response or you get something. So go on and keep scrolling, and while watching, just save the audios that you think are huge and you think are going to create some kind of noise, or like this one right here. This, it has 2.4 million likes right now. So you can make something like this, and you can because it's trending, so it is going to work. So when you make reels like this which are trending and etc., you're going to gain more likes. And you can in the description of the reel, you can add your product description, you can add a description of what you have been selling, or you can market your product or service right here. When you do that, they're going to go on and check that out as well, because they're seeing the reel, and there is a very high chance that they're going to buy it, or they're going to acknowledge you, and they're going to follow you or something like that. So this is also how you can make money on Instagram. Or if you become a huge influencer, if you become a person with a lot of followers and a lot of likes, then what's going to happen for you is basically a different people and different companies are going to approach you. For example, if you are a beauty influencer, if you do makeup and stuff like that on Instagram, and then different makeup products, there are different brands that are selling makeup are going to approach you, and they're going to ask you to market their product, and you can basically get different kinds of deals with them. Like for example, you can tell them that they have to pay you this amount of money to make a 1-minute reel marketing their product or using their product or something like that. So you can market and their product, and you can earn money by that. Also, you get to try new products as well, and you can go on and make a lot of money out of it as well. So making money on Instagram is basically a new way of making money these days, because people and everyone has been using it a lot, and it is basically the new business these days. And even the formal related business, not only influencers, are also coming onto Instagram to market their products and to market themselves to gain more and more customers and followers. So you have to basically get into the game before it gets too late and before it gets too crowded. It is also already very crowded, but there are still very novel and very innovative ways that you can make money on Instagram. So just go on and check those out before someone else steals the show. So you have to get in the game very fast. And as you can see, there are a lot of people making a lot of content on Instagram. So for sure, your content is also going to get acknowledged and recognized. So with different kinds of innovations in the media and the technology, a lot of people are moving towards Instagram and other platforms to build these short videos, because these are not now just for the entertainment purpose, they're also serving a lot of business purposes as well. Everyone is trying to promote their brand, everyone is trying to promote their strategy. They're trying to basically if they are educators, they are selling their education. If they are influencers, they are selling their own hobbies and they are selling their own content. If you are a content creator, if you make jokes or something like that, then they are selling their own jokes. So the point is that everyone is basically coming on to Instagram and other platforms like TikTok to make these kind of short videos, because this is the future. Even YouTube has introduced shorts, and there is a very less time that we will be seeing these short kind of thingies on WhatsApp as well. So it's better to get into the game before the time runs out, or before it gets too difficult, or the competition up there it gets too high. So I have told you a couple of ways that you can make money with these ideas with your reels, and there are I'm pretty much sure like there are a lot of more ways you can do that, because this is just the beginning. I have just touched the tip of the iceberg. Like I've just told you the basics of what you can do, the insights, the more into complex things, the more you can say the more technical things. You can basically think that up on your own, depending upon your own expertise, depending upon your area of excellence. What you basically do, you can make money by a lot of things. Like if your Instagram reel gets a lot of likes and something like that, and if you have basically promoted something in there, then I'm pretty much sure that you're going to gain a lot of audience on your product as well, because people basically see these things to get inspired, and when they get inspired, they basically seek things that the others are using. If you introduce something new, if you introduce a new trend or something like that, then I'm pretty much sure that there will be a lot of people to try that out with you, or try that out because you have done so. So you have to basically be in the game. You have to constantly stay updated of what's happening around in the media world, what's going on, and how you can make your money out of it. Like for example, the reel that I'm seeing right now, this is just a simple aesthetic, and a person has added some kind of text over it. So you can do that as well. And as you can see, this reel has 208k likes right now. So, and it also has 17.7k comments. So I'm pretty much sure the number of shares will also be like a lot. It will be huge. So here you can see that this is a very simple example. the person didn't even do something like that, but the thing is, the thing that he just said here is so moving that people are so sharing it so much and sharing it with others, and people are liking it so much. So you can also make something this simple and you can make money out of it. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I mean, I hope you got the idea that I told you and grabbed it, and I hope I was a big help to you. So please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.